Strength isn't always measured in motion. Sometimes, it's found in the details. Every feature of the Odes Work Cross 550 has been designed with purpose. From the factory-installed winch to its rugged construction, it's built to inspire confidence before the journey even begins. A flip-out windshield with an integrated wiper system gives you the flexibility to adapt as conditions change. A roof-mounted LED light bar complements the bold styling while adding another level of capability. Premium aluminum alloy wheels, independent dual A-arm suspension, and quality components reflect the attention to detail found throughout the vehicle. Behind the wheel, a modern digital display puts essential information right in front of you, while selectable two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and differential lock are only a touch away, and engineered with the features riders expect. The WorkCross 550 delivers exceptional value without compromise. Odes WorkCross 550, designed with purpose, built with confidence.